Hyderabad police arrested Telugu film actor Allu Arjun on Friday in connection with a stampede at the premiere of his film Pushpa 2 at Sandhya Theatre on December 4. The incident left a 39-year-old woman dead and her son critically injured. The police registered a case against Sandhya Theatre management, the actor, and his security team, citing their role in the chaotic situation. The investigation revealed that no prior intimation was given to law enforcement regarding the film team's visit to the venue, which allegedly contributed to the stampede. Authorities stated that the theatre management failed to implement adequate crowd control measures and there was no separate entry or exit for the actor's team. Around 9:30 p.m., the actor arrived at the theatre with his personal security team. The crowd surged forward to catch a glimpse of him, leading to chaos when his security team reportedly began pushing the public. A police team from Chikkadapalli station took the actor into custody from his residence with plans to produce him before a magistrate. The actor had sought relief from the Telangana High Court requesting to be cleared of the charges, but his plea is yet to be heard. Theatre owner and 2 employees have already been arrested in connection with the case. Investigations are ongoing. Police have assured strict action against all responsible parties.